Now, the Miami Valley's certified most accurate forecast with Storm Team 2.
And good Friday afternoon. I'm meteorologist Steve Norris and hope you've had a good week. The last few days have actually been fairly comfortable, so that's nice. Today we were just a little bit warmer and a little more muggy, but still not all that bad for late July and almost early August. August starts tomorrow. Take a look. Our forecast, if you're going to be heading out there this evening, no issues whatsoever. It will remain fairly comfortable with temperatures in the lower 80s around 7 o'clock, but then we'll drop into the upper 70s by 9 o'clock and mid 70s by 11 o'clock. And those clouds will be on the increase as we head throughout the evening hours. Now tomorrow and the entire weekend for that matter, a pretty good chance of occasional showers and thunderstorms and the potential for some heavy rain this weekend. Tomorrow you will notice during the morning showers likely, and then we'll add thunderstorms as we head through the afternoon. And look at those temperatures because of the cloud cover and the rainfall. We're only going to warm to right around 74 degrees tomorrow, and we will be right there at that same number on Sunday. So the weekend not going to be hot or really even warm, but it is going to be wet. Live Doppler 2 HD, we don't have any precipitation at the moment, but the clouds are continuing to thicken from the west to the east, and you can actually see a few showers starting to move into western Indiana right now. That area of showers well ahead of the main low pressure system, which is really going to be a slow mover. And I mean slow, meaning it will move into the Miami Valley over the weekend, and then it will stall out, it does appear, for a number of days. So we're talking about 6 or 7 days with the threat of showers and thunderstorms. The weekend, though, looks to be the wettest as of now. You can see that general track of that low moving across Illinois, Indiana, and into the Miami Valley. So let's talk about this tomorrow and tomorrow night. So Saturday night, we do have a threat of some stronger storms and maybe a severe thunderstorm, a marginal risk that is a 1 on a 1 to 5 scale. The main threat would be damaging winds, although can't completely rule out an isolated tornado. The threat of that is not 0, so just wanted to point that out. Otherwise, periods of heavy rain and the potential for some flooding and some of those thunderstorms that do have that very heavy rainfall. Very hazy skies right now over Beaver Creek. The Jeff Schmidt Auto Group camera indicating that. 84 degrees, winds very light right now at 6 miles per hour. The humidity at 43%. Look at the dew point at 59. So yeah, it's not all that muggy out there. Here's future track. So cloudy skies right now, cloudy skies overnight, and as we get into tomorrow morning, we could see a shower or two by dawn, but there you see it, 9 o'clock, some showers, and then we'll see some thunderstorms mixed in from time to time. More showers and thunderstorms as we get into tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, and then even on Sunday, we'll keep that threat as that low is only then starting to move into the Miami Valley. So tonight, down around 70 for the low with those increasing clouds and the threat of a shower before dawn. Otherwise, 74 tomorrow, mostly cloudy, scattered showers and thunderstorms likely. Same deal there on Sunday. You can see that percentage, 90%. Will taper off a bit as we head into the weekend, but notice Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, a chance of a shower or storm each and every day.